This is Mike with We Care Online Classes, and I wanted to give you a brief video about how to use prompts. I am on ChatGPT. You may be using another platform, but they all work almost exactly the same. You go to the prompt and then you begin to type in what you would like to see and hit enter. And magically, it just gives you all of this great information. So here I ask the question, senior activities with minimal supplies. So you're on a budget, you're trying to get a lot done with not a whole lot of funds. And you can see all of the great suggestions that it's giving me here. But let me think in terms of maybe one of the ones. Let's see, let's do memory photo boards. And I am going to go back to the prompt and I'm going to ask for more info on, and I'm going to take all of that and drop it in. And it will even auto-correct my poor spelling and show you a really great step-by-step instructions. So 2 prompts, and we got a whole roadmap on how to do a whole lot of really engaging activities on a minimal budget. So that's just one small example of how to use prompting on an AI platform. This has been Mike with We Care Online Classes.